Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design. Here I would explore a glimpse of Loft, the Loft tool in 3D CAD and followed by an example for it. Loft tool in 3D CAD. Let's look at its definitions. The Loft command lets you create a new solid object or surface by specifying a series of cross sections along with guide curves. Here, two circular and one square profile connected with guide curves using Loft command. The Loft tool is a powerful feature in 3D modeling that enables users to create smooth transitions between two or more profile shapes. These are the real pictures of animal bullock which I clicked adjacent to my house. Animal bullock. 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 Real pictures, different views. Why am I showing photos of bullock? Here my point of focus is bullock's horn, which is a best and perfect example for 3D Loft command. Additional pictures of the bullock horn in different angles. These are the assumed approx dimensions in mm of the bullock horn. This is the sketching outline or pre-plan. The horn is divided into 7 profiles with a guide curve or center line. Profiles 1 to 4 are ellipses and rest are circles. The completed 3D model of the bullock horn with real pics. We do 2D and 3D trainings for students. First and foremost, sketched a reference line with 75 mm markings for base of the horn. Next, created a 3D sketch box which is the overall sizes of the horn. In this box, left horn should fit. Created a new angular plane with respect to top for the first profile sketch. Sketched the first profile sketch, which is an ellipse of 75 mm by 60 mm. Sketched a group of lines at different positions and heights for center line. Drawn a single spline on the previous reference sketch for the center line. Created a new plane normal to spline for second profile sketch. Drawn a second profile sketch which is an ellipse of 60 by 53. Created a new plane and drawn third profile sketch, ellipse of 55 by 45. New plane and fourth profile sketch, ellipse of 36 by 30. Drawn a fifth profile sketch, a circle of dia 21.5. Drawn a sixth profile sketch, a circle of dia 12. Last and seventh profile sketch, a circle of dia 5. Finally, made the 3D bullock horn using Loft command by connecting all profiles and a center line. Sharpening tip of the horn at the top. And ultimately, left horn is mirrored to make the right horn. Completed 3D bullock horns. These are my 3D certifications and I am a regular 3D CAD systems user from the year 2008. I do workshop based 3D trainings for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.